Hello everyone, it's me, Miss M. How are you lately? I hope you're doing great. Can you guess what we're gonna draw today? Let me show you slowly our character, okay? Who is it? Is it a unicorn? Is it a rabbit? A cat? Yeah, it's Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony. As usual, all you need to prepare is some paper, a pen, a pencil, an eraser, and any kinds of colors that you have. Are you ready? Let's draw with me. Okay guys, I will put my Pinkie Pie next to my paper here so that we can easily see how to draw, okay? So first, in the middle of the paper, draw a circle this big to form her head. Then, under that circle, draw an oval like this for her body later. Okay, now let's draw her head. A curve on the top of the circle. Stop here. And then erase a little bit of the circle. Then draw her nose, going out, draw a curve, and go in. Now back to her head. On the left side of her head, draw her ear. Give her a pointed ear. Done. And now, in the middle of her head, draw a small oval for her eye. Slowly and carefully. Okay, now inside her eye, we're gonna draw another curve just like another oval inside. And then one more oval. And finally, finish her eye with two small circles to make her eye look sparkling later when we color her. Now, draw a tiny circle on her nose like this. Then, a beautiful smile. There you go. Okay, let's draw her body. Underneath her head, trace along the oval with draw. Right. Stop right there. Now we're going in and start to draw her front leg. One slight curve to the right, going down. Another short curve. Then finish her leg when going back to the body. Well done! Now, draw a short curve here as her belly. Next is her back leg, going in a little bit. Then draw a short curve to the left. Going down. And make sure this back leg is longer than the front leg we've already drawn. Then going up and finish her back leg and her bottom. Okay, let's draw the other front and back legs. We're gonna make them look like she's actually walking, okay? Underneath her body, give her the second front leg, going down a bit towards the right. One short curve, then going up back to her body. Make sure this leg is longer than the other one. Why? Of course, she's walking. Okay, now repeat the same step with the final leg of her. Great! Okay, let's erase the back of her head so that we can draw her mane. Start at her forehead. Draw a small curve like this. Then going out with another curve. After that, you just need to use many big curves to finish her mane at the back of her head. Just take it easy. I believe you can do it. Okay, now we have done her mane. Alright everyone, let's finish our Pinkie Pie with the final body part of her. It's the tail. From the bottom, you just need to use big and small curves to draw, just like her mane. Take all the time you need. Great! Look at that pretty tail. Okay, finally, give her 3 small balloon tattoos right here on her back leg. And done! Alright, it's time to ink our little pony. Remember, take it easy. You don't need to rush. Great! And now, slowly erase all the pencil marks so that we can fill her with beautiful colors. And done! Good job, everyone! Well, thank you so much for drawing with me today. If you have ever tried drawing a Pinkie Pie, please share with me via my email. I will be so glad to see your drawing. And it's time to say goodbye. See you guys in my next videos. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you think my video is helpful for you. Bye!